name is Don Wilson. I'm professor in the degree program of industrial design at Humber.
My name is Patrick Burke, and I'm the program coordinator for the industrial design program at Humber.
Tonight we're very pleased to be here at Artscape Witchwood Barns, one of the first gold LEED facilities in Canada. Used to be the TTC repair barns for the streetcars. It's a fabulous space. It's a great place to display design work in particular, and we're here to celebrate the success of our graduating thesis students.
Well, the program actually trains young people to look at products and design them. And although the word industrial is used, really it is product.
We do have a number of industry people, professional designers, and manufacturing people that come to this show, and often jobs result out of it.
My name is Warren Sherling. My project here is the tagged anti-theft bicycle. And the idea was to combine street artists and fixed gear culture together with an anti-theft device to create a bicycle that deters theft in the city. And so the idea is if someone cuts the lock, it sprays paint everywhere and creates a visualization of theft. The Humber Thesis Show is about showcasing our work. We've all been working on this project for about 6 to 8 months. So it's just kind of a way of showcasing what we've been doing to industry and just getting our work out there, making some networking contacts. The experience has been pretty good. The show's been pretty positive, just people coming around, checking out our work, and it's nice to kind of show off what we've been doing. Humber provided the environment and the skills for me to try and to get there.
My name is Isabelle Tremblay. My project is for firefighters. So what it does is it integrates a lot of tools that they're presently using into one system. So it makes it a lot easier to put on, and it makes it a lot lighter. And it's more sustainable in the sense that it uses a lot less material and is a lot quicker and easier to manufacture. Humber has been really good to see different aspects of product design, because there's not only the concept, it's also the manufacturing and the sustainability. The faculty at Humber is very good because they're professionals in the field. Some of us are presently working in the field, and others have previous experience and are now teachers.
Hi, my name is Philip Sagnac. I'm a fourth year industrial design student here at Humber College. The project behind me is called the Cerebral V helmet. It's a motorcycle crash helmet. In the event of a crash, there's a neck supporting device that's deployed around the neck. This device actually mobilizes the head to the body, preventing any spinal cord injury, especially the cerebral vertebrae. In addition to that, the helmet can be disassembled in sections, so when paramedics arrive at the scene, they can properly inspect the victim by removing sections of the helmet, and the lower section of the helmet can be used as a neck supporting device, so a neck brace. So they can use that as a temporary solution to transport the motorcyclist to the hospital. Humber has pretty much helped me with every aspect, from sketching to research. They show me different ways, different materials that can be used for model making, manufacturing. They pretty much created the foundation for where I am right now.
Humber is one of 3 major institutions in Ontario that teach industrial design at the degree level. We emphasize the skill side of things, the ability to do things, as well as, of course, strategic thinking.
My name is Michael Spear. My project is a hydration management system for elite cyclists. So what it does is it monitors the rider's effort and calculates their dehydration off of that, telling them when to drink so they don't overhydrate and don't dehydrate. At the same time, lightening the carrying load, as the rider is only carrying small water cartridges instead of a large water bladder on their back. When I started looking into industrial design, Humber was the name that came up most. I really liked how their program went. It was applied and progressive. A lot of the other ones were either progressive or applied, and Humber gave the best combination of both.
The process itself is addressing first what the problem actually is in terms of the design, and they address a whole bunch of issues from sustainability to what the person really wants in terms of the functionality of the product and how you're going to make it.
My name is Alicia Moore. I've designed an urban agricultural product that's designed for the consumer market of Toronto. It's designed to accommodate growing food within small areas, so such as a balcony or decks, possibly in your backyard. And it's dealing with some of the food crises that Toronto is confronting within the next 10 years. I'm trying to impact social development and provide a consumer product in one package. The reason I chose Humber was strictly related to the response and the experience I had during the interview. I had never heard of Humber before, but the way I was received during that meeting was really positive, and nobody rushed the process. I was treated with respect, and people wanted to guide me right away at the get-go.
One of the things that students need to do to get into this program is to submit a portfolio, and it's done online. There's a number of things we look for in that portfolio. We obviously don't look for successful, competent designers, otherwise they wouldn't be interested. But sketching,
Rapid sketch.
Sketches.
Sketch a lot.
building of things, have they been interested in building things? It could be just about anything.
This is the type of a program that you get the training in. It's called industrial design, but it really is product design.
I owe a lot to Humber.
Humber's a very well-connected school, and because of that, they're able to bring in big companies which sponsor projects. So it gets us a lot of branding and marketing and business exposure, so we can learn all the ins and outs of the industry and not just be in an isolated school environment.
It's really about facilitating an environment where you can learn and putting a bunch of great people together that work really hard and support each other, and just making a great environment for learning. I think that's probably the biggest strength that Humber has, just the people that are here.
I have had job opportunities in Europe, which is where I did my co-op for Bombardier, so I'm looking into going there. If not, this field is very broad, so we are able to go in many different companies, very different fields throughout the world. So pretty much a lot of doors have been opened thanks to Humber.